Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome effect in Adobe After Effects. Don't get scared, After Effects is not that hard once you get the hang of it, and this is an easy one, I promise. First things first, we have our composition. I'm gonna go to layer, new, and I'll add a solid black layer. This is our background. Next, just grab the type tool over here and write whatever it is you wanna write. This looks kind of cool to me. Just duplicate your text layer, select your bottom copy, and we're gonna remove the fill and just add a stroke. You can change the stroke size over here. I'm gonna go with 2 pixels. Now click on your top text, click on this little drop down arrow, and we're going to click on Animate, Opacity. We're going to set the opacity to 0%. Click on the range selector. We're going to go to the beginning of our composition, and we're going to click on the stopwatch over here for the start. Now go ahead to like 1 second or about there, and we are going to change this value to maybe like 90% or 80, 85, somewhere in between 80 or 90. Click on the advanced options now, and we are going to turn this little thing on, which is making the order of the letters that are filled in and not filled in random. Just hold down the Alt or Option key and click on the random seed option, and we are going to just write in time, now asterisk, which is times, and you can just go with 20. That's basically it. It's now going to flicker. You can now add a bunch of effects, some glow, some noise, and some other stuff or whatever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you want to receive updates whenever I upload. Linked in the bio down below are all the links to my gradient map packs and my texture packs and my posters and prints and all that good stuff. So definitely go check those out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.